this is really looking very difficult, that how to manifest a specific person for a relationship or a friendship or anything. Even it is looking very difficult to get a promotion in the job we are currently doing in the current company, and it is very difficult for us to manifest right now. We get rid of some stupid people from our surrounding so that we can feel positive. This is why you are here on this video, how to manifest your reality in this 3D, right? Guys, in this video I am totally going to explain you a very powerful technique from Neville Goddard. Now, who is Neville Goddard? I am actually going to tell you that, also introduce him to you if you do not know who is Neville Goddard. Guys, Neville Goddard is the person who has written a lot of books on law of attraction and power of your own imagination, which is actually becoming your reality. Okay, this is the basic knowledge about Neville Goddard, that this person has written a lot of book on law of attraction and techniques you can use to manifest your reality, okay, in this 3D world. Okay, what is 3D world in which we are living? And this is illusion. Why I am saying this is illusion? Because this is based on the past thought we have created, and we made that thought so much important that now the reality is according to that thought. Suppose in the past we have thought a lot of time that that person is not good for us, that person is bad for us, that person said this to me, that person said that to me, this person has not done good to me, and that job, it actually belonged to me. I was not able to get that position in that company, and whatever you are feeling. Okay, as in the past we have thought such things, we are facing the reality according to that. We thought that the particular person is not good for us, so we gave that person the particular role that this person will not be good for us in our life. That person has no choice but to actually act like the person who is not good for us. Suppose a person has ditched you in a relationship. You need to think that what was the exact thought when you were in a relationship. Were you in obsession? Were you scared that what if this person ditches you? And this person has no choice but to be manifest in your reality that this person is a cheater. Now, if you want a particular post but you actually have this in your mind that I don't know if I am capable for this post in this company, then yes, you are not. You are actually feeling. Dominant thought here is you are not feeling worthy of that post. Now this is going to manifest in a situation where your boss is going to appoint somebody else in that post but not you. So whatever is happening right now with us, guys, is actually because we have thought in the past the certain things, okay, and the thought had feelings and it got manifested in 3D reality which we are facing right now. So this is why I am saying that the 3D is just an illusion. Suppose we actually think exactly the flip of the past negative thoughts. This person loves me so much. This person is, very nice to me. These are all my friends and they treat me with respect. They treat me with love. They will actually treat us with love and respect because now we have changed the role. So yes, what we have to only do is think in a way that actually suits our desire, that actually suits our positive life. We have to only generate that thing. Okay, now coming to a very powerful technique about manifesting your reality into your 3D. One thing I have given the knowledge about, we have to keep persistency of the thought about your desire, which actually aligns your desire. Guys, I really know that you won't be liking if something negative happens in your life. Why to think? Why to give energy to that thought, that which you do not like, that which you won't like in your life to happen, to manifest? You do not have to give energy and focus on that thing. Are not liking something, you do not have to even think of that in your mind. You only have to think the thoughts which are aligned with the desire. This is the first one. You have to think only what is exactly according to your positive desire. This is the first thing. Now second thing is one technique of Neville Goddard. that. Okay, this is very powerful technique. This is power of imagination. Now we have thought the negative emotion to positive, so that our feelings should be only aligned to the desire. Now power of imagination comes here. This technique is actually given by Neville Goddard. Here what you have to do, I will give the steps. Okay guys, according to Neville Goddard, power of imagination is really very important. Imagination goes till where you are going to manifest till there. Okay, your imagination goes till where you have to keep focus on. Till there you can manifest your reality, 3D reality. Okay, first of all, this is the whole basic and the most important thing, that your imagination is enough to manifest your reality. This is the best thing, because you do not have to do anything, you do not have to take any action, but you have to keep visualizing persistently that what you have desired is with you right now. You have to be in that wish fulfillment mode. How? You know, there are a lot of people who actually do not know what is exactly law of attraction, though law of attraction is exactly working in their life too, but they do not have knowledge. Okay, so they think that only sitting and visualizing doesn't bring you result, but guys, that is wrong. Only sitting and visualizing and imagining your desire is exactly going to give you result and manifest in your reality. I have manifested this. I have manifested negative thing also by constantly visualizing that this can happen, by constantly thinking also that this can happen, this negativity can happen, when I did not know about law of attraction, and I manifested that. Now I keep on checking that what exactly I'm thinking and visualizing in my mind while I sleep, when I wake up in the morning. You know, I keep an eye that what exactly I am thinking in my mind and creating picture. So yes, this is power of imagination, guys. Whatever we visualize, whatever we create pictures in our mind is going to manifest in some time. This is power of imagination given by Neville Goddard. So if you want to manifest a specific person or with whom you want to build a friendship, even if you do not know this person, or if you want money, or if you want job, this power of imagination will help you a lot. Okay, I am going to give you a few steps how you can do this, actually how you can bring this imagination into your reality. First step is fix a time. At that time you can sit, close your eyes and just visualize. Suppose you are visualizing your mansion, okay, a new home, a villa, a mansion, a bungalow. Okay, you have to close your eyes and just visualize yourself standing in front of that mansion. Go into that state where you are now feeling. Please for 1 minute visualize this, that yes, this is right now your reality, because law of attraction is actually working only on the feelings. Okay, it has frequency. The feelings have frequency. Okay, right now close your eyes. First step, close your eyes. Second step, that after closing the eyes, imagine, create a scene where you are standing in front of your mansion. Okay, third step, you have to open the door of the mansion, the main gate. Now enter it. Fourth step is enter. This is the last step. Enter it. Visualize yourself touching everything inside the mansion, inside the bungalow, inside the villa. The furniture, touch them. Feel them. Feel that this is your reality right now. Feel everything. The furniture, to the bed, to the bathroom. Focus on the fan, what is the design? Focus on the wall, what is the design? Touch the wall, touch the bed, everything, the interior. Now, affirm, oh my god, this is mine. Create that feeling, this is mine, this is mine. Even if you are not getting that feeling right now, affirm at least 10 times, this is mine. I can believe, thank you universe, this is mine. I can believe, thank you universe, this is mine. I can believe, this is mine. Thank you universe, thank you so much, I'm really grateful for this. These are some simple steps of visualization for the specific person. I'm gonna upload next video what you can visualize for your specific person through power of imagination of Neville Goddard, and how you can manifest that. So yes, this is the simple step. You can also create your own visualizations. You can decide. I cannot decide that for you, but I can help you with the steps you can use. Close your eyes, then see yourself standing in front of the mansion or the villa you desire. Feel that right now, at least for 1 minute, feel that right now you are actually standing in front of your own mansion. Okay, you do not have to worry about in this visualization that, oh my god, how will I buy this? You do not have to worry about that. Universe will care about that. Okay? You just have to stand in front of the villa, mansion, enter the mansion, touch everything, feel it, and at last affirm, thank you universe, this is mine, at least for 10 times. Okay, this is the best thing you can do for your desire. You have to feel it. This is power of imagination, and the universe will take care of how it is going to come in your life. Again, for job also the same steps you can see. Like you have to stand in front of the job and you have to, okay, this job I'm entering. No, for the job you have to see yourself being at the desired post. Yes, the simple steps I shared, these are the basic, guys. These are the basic Neville Goddard has shared. Okay, there are no difficult steps. Oh my god, what I should do so that I can really manifest my desire. You just have to visualize. There are a lot of time you are actually trying to write down the affirmations also in present tense and positive sentences, but you are not feeling it. It is not going to happen. You are using the affirmations in a way that you are using a pill for a disease. No, then it will happen, then you will recover. No, it is not going to happen. You have to feel for your manifestation that it has happened right now, and you have to be in that frequency. This is actually the wish fulfillment mode. And guys, if your wish is fulfilled, how you will behave? You have to behave in that way. Okay, you do not have to be like, okay, I have visualized now the manifestation will come. No, you have to behave in a way that the manifestation has already come. Now it is normal for you. I wanted this top. I had seen in some video. I wanted this top. I have this top. Okay, now I am normal. Okay, this is with me. This is mine. This is the simple thing. First 2 days I was very excited. Oh my god, thank you universe, I got this, I got this, I got this. Now I'm normal. Okay, I got this. This is mine. In my consciousness now, this is mine, and I'm happy, but I am now satisfied, and I'm feeling normal. So you have to feel normal about the desire that, okay, this wish is fulfilled now. What is the excitement about? You do not have to get excited about, okay, thank you universe, thank you universe, thank you universe. No. Okay, affirmation you have used, thank you universe, this is mine. You are grateful, but be normal. That, okay, this is mine. In my consciousness, this is mine. This has happened. Even it is difficult for you that I can't believe this is my 3D reality because I cannot see anything. But still, you have to be in that wish fulfillment mode that it is fulfilled. And persistently, every day you have to visualize at a fixed time, obviously, if you want, or in free time every day. I will suggest you till the seed has been planted. Okay, after that, if your subconscious mind has captured that and you are having a dreams also about the manifestation, you do not have to practice every day anything. The seed has been planted, now it will grow and give you the fruits of manifestation of your design 3D in no time. If you are not negative but persistently you are actually working on this positive affirmation, this is mine. Even the negativity is coming, don't worry, it is just the logical mind given by the society. It is not given by the God. God has only given you the boon that you are God and you can manifest everything in your life. Okay, from the specific person, from the bungalow, from the money, everything. I am aware of some people who are living with such people that they constantly say you cannot do anything, you are a loser, and you are this, you and that, you cannot do anything. And these people, they are not doing anything in their life because the subconscious mind has captured that I cannot do anything in my life. But guys, trust me, the people I'm talking about, these people are the most intelligent people, and they can be, wealthy in no time if they be positive about everything. Just that they have absorbed their surrounding that they cannot do anything. They have been told since childhood that they cannot do anything. There are a lot of people in this world, they can do everything, but the surrounding is wrong. And that too you can manifest. The surrounding, according to you, you can manifest according to your consciousness. If these people who are demotivating you, according to you, if you manifest that these people, or these all people are motivating you, that yes, you can do, in no time you will see the result that these people, the only people will actually motivate you, give you positive vibes. Okay, I hope I am clear that yes, persistency is also very important of visualizing till the seeds has been planted and your subconscious mind has captured that yes, the desire is fulfilled. Also, stop absorbing the surrounding which says you cannot do. Even do not share anything. If you are very sensitive and you absorb the negativity, do not share your goals with anyone. I hope I have made you clear that yes, you can manifest anything, from the specific person, from the money, the job, the mention, anything you desire in no time if you persistently be in that state where the wish has been fulfilled. You have to be in that state of wish has been fulfilled. And I have also shared some steps how you can use power of imagination for anything you desire. I have given steps for visualizing a villa for you, a mansion for you. In the next video I will give you steps and as an example that what you can use for manifesting a specific person. Okay, I hope I have made you clear that yes, only your imagination is enough for manifesting anything. And when you are in that wish fulfillment state, universe will do everything. You do not have to do, only thing you have to do is visualize your desire being in wish fulfillment mode. Okay, this happened, I am satisfied now. Thank you universe, I am grateful. Now the universe has the duty to fulfill that desire, to make that happen in 3D reality. Even if this thought comes in your mind that okay, this is right now not in my 3D reality, but you still have to be in wish fulfillment mode, that it will be shown. I am in wish fulfillment mode that this has been fulfilled. Wanted this nail polish. Okay, what I did was I added that in my cart. I bought it, but it came after 5 days. Okay, but I knew that this is going to happen, this is going to come to me. Okay, so this is what exactly is happening, guys. Persistently be in that wish fulfillment mode that this has happened in 3D reality. I'm gonna feel that too. Till where the consciousness goes, till where you can manifest everything. Where you focus is your reality. So I hope you will always practice. It is initially difficult, but I am not saying fight with your mind and be positive. No, you have to go, you have to accept. Right now I am feeling negative, but I know that this is not my reality. My reality is what exactly I desire. Right now the logical mind says that this is not possible, but I know the universe doesn't work on the human made logic. It is God, and God is infinite. Thank you guys.